Hello. Good afternoon. How's it going? Foil. Finn. Uh I'm just gonna skip to the end. Foil, 15 stream streak. Awesome. Thank you for hanging out for 15 streams in a row. Finn, that's a lot of computer parts. I don't even know what half of those are. What am I looking at? I see was that a Wi-Fi adapter? I don't know what that middle box is. One sec. Let me make it bigger. What the hell is this? Power supply. Duh. What is this? What is this? What is this? Fans. Why is it LCD? What do the fans and LCD have to do with each other? Oh, this is a motherboard. I see. Oh, so you just bought a new computer. This is a straight up new computer. You got some RAM, I'm sure. What's this? Heatsink. Where's your heatsink jelly? Your heatsink. Are you a heatsink jelly or a heatsink jam kind of guy? I got 10K Dosh. Rocket League could happen at any point. Could be today. Could be in a week. Gotta keep you on your toes. Rocket League is always one click away. Basically, I can make a new PC out of that. Yeah, it's like a whole PC. Good stuff. What's this? What's this? A shoe? Where does this shoe go? Plant? Stack of stuff? All right, we're done. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Doxed. That was my, you know what? I'm just going to breeze past it. It wasn't my address, but I am kind of doxed, aren't I? Guess this one ain't going on YouTube. Grumble. Grumble. 7 months. Thank you. How goes it? It goes well. I took a nice long weekend. I went away again. Went up to this town, Niigata, and then had some fun over the weekend. That was cool. Virtue, how's it going? And I'm trying to get back into it. Actually, I feel a little not lost, but I had a flow going, and then once the train station was finished, I'm like, all right, I lost my flow. I'm doing good. Today's a good day. So I did something really stupid that I almost totally busted up my whole project. Totally and completely destroyed it. So I realized, all right, once and for all, now I need to clean up all the files I don't need and do my first git commit in Unity 6 with a brand new repo. So what I'm doing is I'm going through all of my assets and I'm cleaning up the garbage I don't need. I'm trying to reduce the size of my project. And right now it's at, my project is at 4 gigs, 3.99. So that's good. It was at 6.5 before. So I'm making good progress. I got rid of 2.5 gigs of crap that I wasn't using. So now I'm like, there's a lot of these like 4K textures that I don't need. I'm downrosing them to 2K. So many demo scenes that every asset I bring in has like a demo scene associated. So I've been like culling all those. So I might just do some cleanup and chat. Not really do any work today. I don't know. We'll see. I felt that way too, but I never have a good flow. You get a good flow. When you're working on a task, I see it in your eyes. You know, you get the flow going for that one task, and then once it's done, you're just like in the void again. Like you gotta latch on to another task, but none of them seem good enough right now. And only until you start working on one that's like fun does it suck you in again. And the same things, yeah, that's happening to me. I just need another task to suck me in. So right now, yeah, I'm just going through this very convenient size, file size sorter in Mac. So I'm just ticking through these really big folders and finding the culprits. The annoying thing is like when it's like 40 textures that all create the issue. So like, this doesn't need to be 2K. It doesn't even need to be 2K. This can be 1K. Because I'm not even using it. Eventually I'll just delete it, but I don't want it to be big in my first commit. So I'm just going to go through these. I just have a little macro that's halving the size of all of these. Every megabyte counts. Also, yeah, thank you for that sub. That's very kind of you. Excuse me, are you saying you haven't pushed a single commit since you switched? Yeah. Yeah, I haven't done a single one. And I did something really dangerous today. I did it and I realized like, oh, while it was loading the change, I'm like, this can break every asset in the game. I just had my fingers crossed and nothing broke. I'm like, okay, now's the time. This is very much the time. All right, so that's much better. 17 megabytes instead of 50. Wait, did I already do all these? These are tiny, whatever. Trees. Oh, come on. It's just like 40 textures that make it up. Just bring them all in. If it's less than a megabyte, I'm not worrying about it. Ani, thank you for the hydrate. How are you? We just hit 650 followers on Blue Sky in 5 days. That's awesome. 5 days, that's so fast. I would literally murder you if you were on the team. This is the kind of thing people go to jail for. I would do time for this. Nah, it's all fine. It's only been a week. Backdrop. 16 megabyte 8K. This actually, this I'm gonna keep yeah, I'm gonna keep this one 8K. I use this one, and it needs to be crisp and big, so that's fine. That's all right. That's a bunch of nonsense. Demo scenes, 40 megabytes. What is 40 megabytes? It's the terrain and these painted textures. I don't care. So I think I'm just gonna delete the whole folder. Sometimes I don't commit and push for weeks. There we go. Did I walk in moments before or after the murder? Yeah, before. I'm not dead yet. Fortunately, Andrew is not on my team and having to attend a now mandatory 3-day course on version control as a result of me finding this this channel. Are you kidding? There's people that don't even version control. There are people in this category that do not version control at all. And they exist. All right, I'm going to do something wild. I'm going to delete this whole folder. So what is this even in? It's demo scene inside a fantasy environment, nature. Nature, fantasy environment. Where is it? Source. No, demo scenes. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I don't need this crap. Demo scenes. Goodbye. Delete. How are we doing on size? 3.88. The animations are, they're a megabyte a piece, but there's literally 350 of them, so there's nothing I could do about animations. Sound effects. Farm animal sound effects. I don't need this. This I use. This I use. Grains. It's just pouring dry rice. Why do I need 15 pouring dry rice? I mean, they're kind of satisfying, but they also are half a megabyte to... No, these aren't even... These are fine. This is nice. I'm going to use that. That's nice. I'm going to use that. I don't need snarls, but they're so small, whatever. That I need. Footsteps I need. All of these. Except robotic? Do I need these? I don't need these. Let's get rid of that. What is this? PAX SFX footstep sounds. Shout out to Grumble. Shout out to Grumble. Did you fully switch to your morning streams now? I think I saw you go live once at my 1 a.m. and I'm like, that's it. I'll never catch another Grumble stream. I know, and it hurts me to consider the fallout of such recklessness. Yeah, it's pretty dangerous. I know. I put some of what I did today in Share Your Art in the Discord if you want to check it out. I do. Matt, good evening. How are you? It's gorgeous. Working on some pixel art trees. Well, like a monstera plant. It's gorgeous. I love it. Some isometric pixel art. I dig it. Are you making a farm sim? That officially starts tomorrow, today? Okay. That's all right. You do you. Maybe I'll catch you. Not a farm sim? I think just a greenhouse. It's very pretty. I like it. Good stuff. I think it's funny that it looks like we built our greenhouses in the same way, because I had this similar issue with like the window panes, and then I had this issue, and then this non-square pane, and everything just bothered me. I don't even remember what I did to solve it. Weed growing sim. Yes. So yeah, I guess it is a farm sim. There you go. Zen garden. Are you asking me or are you asking Foil? What is this main scene? Don't save. This is just every asset laid out next to each other. I don't need it anymore. Get it out of here. Get it out of here. Delete. Doesn't even match anymore. Main game scene. Don't save. So I think I'm done. All right, I wanted to get rid of these footstep sounds. It was in sound effects. Footstep sounds. Robot. Retro. What's retro? Why can't I play these? Why won't they play? What the hell? We're gonna restart Unity. Clip it and ship it. No, I think I'm done cleaning up the project before I do my first commit. I did a Blue Sky post. So yeah, let's talk about Blue Sky for a second, because yeah, I've had an influx of followers lately. But Aaron mentioned this before. Like, yeah, influx of followers, but same engagement. You know, I got 648, and 300 of these came in the past 4 days, and they just keep coming. I'm on some starter pack, but you know, I'll still post something and get 2 likes. You know, it doesn't, like, I haven't seen any of these people engage with anything. I'm starting to think that they're not real. Or it's just the way the algorithm works with Blue Sky, where just because you follow someone doesn't mean you're going to see their stuff. Not sure. Our engagement is up. That's good. Maybe my post just sucks and I'm complaining about it. Also, Grumble. That's the new trend. Get on Blue Sky. Are you on Blue Sky yet? Anyone, I suppose. Everyone should make a Zen garden. I was thinking about making a Zen garden that you could rake, like as just one of the decorations that you can make, like a floor tile that is gravel that you can rake the direction of the, you know, the direction of the rake. I thought that'd be cool. I'm not entirely sure what it's going to be. Still got to flesh that out. Looks like you're having fun doing the drawings, so that's good. Hear me out, Alpine Lake, but you're a totalitarian dictator? Nope. I think I need to just post more and let the algorithm do its magic. A new follower every minute. Nice. Am I following you? Everyone share your links. Share your Blue Sky links. Also, is this a sufficient git ignore? There was something missing from this before that I had to add. All these I'm getting different log files that are not being ignored. I think it's okay. Right now, I'm making a dumb series of fish crossed with junk food items and calling it fish food. I'm tempted to make. I'm tempted to try and make a Zen garden. I wonder what kinds of puns I can make for Buddhist plants. I don't think puns are in the true nature of a Zen garden. Be back in 2 weeks making Totalitarian Lake. I wish you would. My engagement is up and I haven't posted anything, not even a profile pic. Well, that's good. Well, if you haven't, but if you haven't posted anything, then what do you mean engagement is up? Because I don't consider follows engagement. You know, likes, retweets, comments, that's engagement. Yeah, everyone follow Finn. Shout out to Finn. Aaron said this last night too. Just post regularly, engagement will go up, and people have to get used to likes, not pushing you up. What pushes you up is reposts and quotes. Yeah, yeah. No, but they're great for dumb art. Yeah, they are. I like puns. All my quests are puns. It just happens. I don't know why that happens. Ani, am I following you? I am now. Get in there. Start posting. Is your stream flaking? It was. Yeah, it was just twitching for a sec. Twitch was twitching. Teehee. The point of a Zen garden is to slow down. I'm one of the slowest I know at pixel art. Ridiculous. All right. So what couldn't I do before? I couldn't play these. There we go. These are very cool sound effects. These are actually really good for like Foley, metal on rock or something. But I don't know. It's gonna go. Just want to clean up. What is retro? No, we don't need any retro sounds. Carpet I like. Concrete I use. Grass I use. Gravel I use. Leaf I will use soon. Metal I'll use eventually. Sand, yeah. Snow I use. Water and mud I use. Wood I use. Okay, these are all used. I don't use these though. They don't take up much space. Good for Kenny. Good for Kenny. Making such a look at that. 1 megabyte for all this stuff. 1 megabyte. Good job, Kenny. Good job, Kenny. Kenny. All right. I'm done. I'm done messing with it. This is as good as it's gonna get. 3.8. I almost halved it. Almost. Let's do our first commit. So, what do I gotta do? I forget how to do it. I haven't done a commit in a while. I want this to be in here. Right? Unity. Oh, no. Wait. Use git ignore. But I just want to get rid of Unity, right? Just .git ignore. Why? Wait. Dot. Okay. Use okay. Can't use that name because it begins with a dot. These names are reserved for system. Please. Yeah, this is system. How do I do this? Change, get ignored. Remove name from dot get ignore Mac. If you haven't already, just copy the content and paste into a new get ignore file. Try going into the terminal and where it's located doing mv get ignore. Okay, I'll do that. And then what was it? mv unity 2 dot get ignore. Look at that. The internet to the rescue. And how do I do my first get? I want to get init, right? Get init. Get status. Get add. Let's add the get ignore first. Get status, right? Get commit. Adding get ignore. That's what you're supposed to do first, right? Lurk eating. Behave, everyone. Yes, please. Also, Finn, enjoy your food. I heart. Train sounds. I do need them. How are you, I heart? Git add dot. We're doing our first git commit. It's only been 4 years now. I just want a nice clean repository. I'm not going back. This is going to take a while. Danilo. How's it going? Getting rid of Unity, switching to Go, never. Git commit, change some stuff. That's usually what my git commits are. I'll try and be better this time. Yeah. I use Bitbucket, and 4 gigabytes is the max size for repository. So anytime I hit the limit, I end up just making a new repository and cleaning up the project a bit. Ooh, how long is this going to take? Oh my God. That's awesome. My wife just sent me a bed and breakfast in the town we were staying at. It's for sale. Is that even a lot? That's not even a lot of money. I mean, it's a lot of money, but I feel like that's doable. Wow, that is actually affordable. It's a giant bed and breakfast. That's so cool. It's got an onsen. It's got a giant like dining room table. It's got a little restaurant area. It's got a garden. It's on a giant plot of land. It's got barbecue backyard. It's got tennis courts, swimming pool. What? Wait. That's crazy. And it's in a ski resort town. IRL Alpine Lake. Yeah, it's happening. You do realize, like, if this game does any bit of success, any 1% bit of success, IRL Alpine Lake will exist. 100%. 100%. There will be a real place. And it might be this one that was just sent to me. Actually, the real place might come first. Oh, we did it. It's done. Get status. Great. Get commit. First commit. Let me just make sure there's nothing stupid in here, right? Packages. I don't want packages. Project settings I do. Logs I don't want. What are packages? Oh, I do want packages. That's right. That's right. That's right. And then everything else is just assets, right? Yep. And then the VS config. Great. First commit. And I got to make a repository on Bitbucket. Factor. Oh, two-factor. Excuse me. Got to make a game based on your dreams. It could now be a business expense. Yeah. I mean, everything's a business expense. What is this? What is this? Dark theme is here. Oh, yes, please. Dark. There we go. New repository. Wait, include git ignore? I have my own git ignore, so don't include one, right? Oh. Inkeep? Sure. I probably need to do this off screen, right? Yeah. Let's do this off screen so you don't see it. Failed to push some refs. Why? Git status. Yeah, we're good. Clean. Remote origin already exists. Great. Failed to push some refs. What does that mean? Anyone know what that means? Failed to push some refs? Oh, is it because I didn't name it correctly? Because I'm on branch master and that's what happened. And it made a main branch. How do I change that? Is there a way to change that? Pipelines, deployments. Ah, crap. Foil, thank you for the hydrate. Did I screw this up? Create repository. No, I already have one. Repositories. Alpine Lake. Source. What if I branch everything? Can I branch everything to a main and then just work in this branch? Or is that stupid? Should I redo this? Branching repository details. Can I delete it? Can I just remake this? Go back. Delete repository. Delete. Okay, create repository. New repository. Same place. We're going to put it here. Alpine Lake. It's going to be called master, which I understand is probably not the greatest thing. Create. Okay. Does that work? That worked. Yeah, it just didn't like that they were named, the branches were named differently. This is going to take a while. Okay, we can do some work now. Great. Thanks for hanging in there with me. So where did I leave off? I was working on the vacation spot system. I think I have the UI working, and I got the scriptable objects loading into the UI. I just need to hook up the conversation for Jules to accept a location to visit. So I need to open a UI from the conversation. I need to then restart the conversation with the chosen vacation spot. Like, oh, cool, I'll go check that out. And then that's it. So let's go to Jules. Quests. Festivals. So I think I need a new category just for Jules. Oh, this is new. 1, 2, 3. That's new. Why haven't I seen that before? Weird. So create child node. This is going to be the vacation spot. Suggest a vacation. And it only happens when, I guess I need a new quest to tick on, like, I guess it's if mystery favor is complete. Conditions. But I'm not going to do that yet. I just want to test it. So how do I open UIs from other places? Ikonumo. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you? The Git push is 61% complete. That's pretty fast for a 3 gig project. I wonder how big it's going to be compressed. Because Git's really good about compressing data. Because before it was compressing 7 gigs to 3 or to 3.5. So I can't wait to see what this new lean 3.5 gig project is reduced to. Probably to like 2.5. All right, so I think if I go to Eugene, I can look at how he opens up his UI. Expand in, send message, allow GUI, speaker. That's what I do. Allow GUI to the speaker. And what Eugene has is a script that's like, will open a GUI if allowed. So let me check that out. What? Discard. I didn't do anything. Where is Eugene? There you are. Skill giver. I think this inherits from something. Show UI. Allow GUI. That's right. I just need this. Yeah, I just need this. What I really should do is make this a open UI helper, like conversation helper. And I could just change this to whatever I need, or change this. Yeah, that makes way more sense. Ooh, it's done. Wow. 1.69 gigs. That's so much. That's so many more gigs. So much more room for activities. Beautiful. All right. That makes me feel better. Hopefully Finn is satisfied with that. We did our Git push. We're on the cloud. What about the merchant? Do I do that with the merchant too? The merchant has show merchant UI. Allow, yeah. Start coroutine. Get the NPC. Why? Merchant event. Oh, because I need to throw a merchant event. Okay. Yeah, this is so generic. I should just change this to be generic. Aria, new project. No way. No way. I'll be working on this forever and ever. Forever and ever. You can't stop me. Skill giver. Skill giver. This is in NPCs. What I'm going to change this to is open GUI from dialog. open GUI from dialog. No. Open UI. Or UI, no, dialog UI helper. No. Dialog. What is this? What am I trying to say? Skill giver. You know what? I already have a script that is literally the NPC dialogue helper. I should just put it in here. I should just put it in here. Public GUI type. Open UI from dialog or UI type. I'm just gonna put it in here, and then this whole skill giver thing is really stupid. Wait, allow true. Why does it start? Oh no, this isn't start. So allow, and then show UI. What is this show UI? I think the player calls this. Skill giver. Oh, there we go. Wait, GUI opener. What is this? What is this script? I knew I made this. I knew I made this. GUI opener. That's so funny. Okay. Got it. GUI opener. All right. I am not going to add it to this script. I already have a generic one. GUI opener. Yo, Soul. Soul, how's it going? It's really funny. Someone on YouTube like 2 days ago left a comment saying everybody needs a Soul Retriever in their chat. I was like, yeah, you do. I still get comments on that video every day. All right, so this is so much easier than I thought it was going to be. I can't believe I was going to write a generic GUI opener. I already have one. So if I go to Jules and I add GUI opener, and she opens the vacation spots. And I just need to throw this one thing. Just this. Actually, I can copy this whole node. Boom. Go to Jules. Start. Suggest a vacation. Oh. Very nice. Let's hear you got for me? And then paste. Where's paste? Where's paste? Wait, why can't I paste? I don't need to continue. Check. Cool. All right. That should be good. How are you, Soul? I'm gonna not warp Jules to her spot. She's just gonna stay right here. Suggest a vacation. Oh, very nice. Let's hear what you got for me. Mega crash. Oh my god, that was a mega crash. Why? Unity just said, I'm out. That was crazy. Sorry, I'm a little sleepy today. Also, I forgot to update the elevation. All new follows. Increase the elevation of Alpine Lake by 1 meter until release. So what do we get? We're at 1441. We're at 1443 now. No. Oh right, we're listening to Kilika. I don't have the Kilika shout out on. You're at work, wrapping it up. Hopefully I can leave on time. I'm debating if tonight is my all-nighter homework night since I'm off tomorrow. Don't do all-nighters. Just do your homework tomorrow. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, that was really bad, and this didn't save. Oops. Kept her schedule on, so she poured it away. She doesn't get a schedule. I got threatened the other day. Dude said he's gonna come back and shoot me at the store. What? Wait. DM, what's DM trust DM? DM trespassed him from all locations and is gonna put security here for a few weeks. I'm not worried at all. Dude was just throwing a tantrum because I didn't like the way his ID looked. So I didn't feel comfortable doing his transaction. Still filed charges, but whoa. Soul, that's crazy. You're right. That sounds That sounds really intense. No, that can't be good. Oh, this is a constant thing. This is not, that was not just a one-off crash. I hope you don't like work alone. Foil, thank you for the lurk. I mean, it's good they're putting security there. Jesus. Be careful out there, soul. This is weird. This is really weird. I wonder if I deleted something vital to the project, because I went on a deleting spree. al dot open UI, open menu, vacation spots. What? What? Also, why am I not getting a log? What is going on here? This was working before. I'm gonna delete all the save files. I wonder if I really did bust the game when I changed the names of all those things. So I made a mistake where I refactored the name of a script that's everywhere. And then I tried to undo it, and everything seemed fine. Everything looks weird right now, though. This game looks weird right now. It looks washed out. Like it's not, like I don't have the color correct on it. Oh no, I deleted, oh no, I deleted my stupid, I deleted something I shouldn't have. That's okay, I can grab it from the old project, but that might be what's crashing it. I deleted my post-processing volume. It's missing. Excuse me. I deleted this. Because I was using one from a pack. Oh, how stupid. And it was in the demo scene folder that I blew away. I don't know why it was in the demo scene folder though. It's very strange. I'm going to bring it in and rename it. Put it in a folder that I like. And I got to stop using stuff out of these asset pack folders. So it's this. Yeah, I deleted this. That's right. That's right. I deleted this. So let's copy those and then paste them into new folder, I guess. I'll call it post processing. I already have post-process. We're going to put it there then. Can I not? Copy. Or whatever. Reveal in Finder. And then drop that here. There we go. Delete that folder. Hook this back up. Post-processing. There we go. That should make the game look the way it's supposed to look. There we go. Now, why is the game crashing? Open menu. Vacation spots. So weird. Still crashing. It's the same dude who slashed a customer's tire on the 5th. So I pulled up camera footage of that and the incident with me and gave it to the officers. Still haven't heard anything about, nor have I seen him since. But anyway, oh my God, that's crazy, Soul. Be careful. How have things been last few days? Things have been good. I went away for the weekend. Had a good time. Ate some good food. Climbed a mountain. It was a tiny mountain, but it was still hard. Because, yeah. Things have been good. All right. How do I debug this? This is nuts. I wonder if all UIs are broken or just that new one. Ooh, is it possible that I deleted like a sound effect or something? It's definitely trying to play something that I deleted. It's trying to do something that I deleted. It's gotta be. It's just gotta find the thing. So if I go to UI, vacation spots, and is there anything missing? No, nothing's missing. What if I go in here, background image, nothing's missing. Title text, nothing's missing. Image, empty sprite, nothing's missing. Panel, scroll view, nope, all good. Viewport, it's fine. Content, nope. Selection marker. Is this the right content? Yeah. No spots discovered. Yeah, let's see if it's all UI. It's always something. Nothing can ever be clean. And I'm sure it's user error, but still. If I pause the game, that's fine. Change UI. Let's say, what if I go to open al.open menu? Let's say I open skills. There was no skills menu. What's it called? GUI system. In skills. It's called in skills. That's fine. Hail.open menu. Cody. I mean, I know why it's breaking now. I just deleted so much stuff. So, It's definitely something I literally just did 1 minute ago. But what? I guess I'll tick through the code to see if anything looks suspicious. Excuse me. Vacation scroll view manager. Do I have the vacation system in here? Rewatch stream? I didn't do it on stream though. I did it off stream. Oh, let me see. How does this populate? Does this populate correctly? Seven items. 7 normal items. They're all named properly. Yeah. Excuse me. How do I do an invalidate thing? Like on validate, is that a thing? What if I do that? All right, so the vacation scroll view manager, it clears everything. I'm just gonna do, wait, even if I do prints, they're not gonna, I can't see them because we just crashed the desktop. I don't even get like a bug report thing, right? I'm not even getting a bug report thing. Anyway, Cody, how are you? Welcome back from ads. What if I just unhide it? If I unhide it, it's fine. If I force open, ooh. All right, all right. Yo, Darkwood. Good morning. Thank you for the 7 months. You guys are coming in with these 7 months today. Thank you so much. How's it going? I have found a game crashing error. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do this. Let's see if it's something in this function. Excuse me. On the brighter side, I got approved to rent a house 3 minutes from my apartment. So it's go time now and time to pack and get ready to move. Dogs are gonna love the big yard. Gonna be a struggle for a while. It's like $1,000 more a month just in rent. Oh dang. But a house, that sounds cool. Congrats. Congrats on getting approved. Hopefully the money just gets sorted out. Hopefully you just figure it out. Vacation spot, canvas, force open GUI. There we go. Okay. Didn't crash, right? So which line is doing the crashing? It's got to be this. How about this? I'll do everything except the populating. I bet this dictionary is just empty. I bet we're trying to grab stuff that just doesn't exist. But that should throw an error. That shouldn't crash the game. It should just be like, no reference exception. Force open. Okay. That worked. So now what's the problem? The vacation spot display. Did I corrupt this thing or something? Nah, it's... What if it doesn't like this? Oh, it probably hates this. Public init. Void init. Vacation spot. I was trying to be clever. It probably hates this. It probably, yeah, it just hates this. That was stupid. Just do that. Keep it clean. Keep it concise. All right, cool. Wait, me and my girlfriend, rather? Well, congrats to you both. Is this the first time you're living together, or do you currently live together in your apartment? Because that's a big step. Moving in with your girlfriend for the first time. Big step. Whoa. Okay, now it just crashed. Not doing anything. And oh, I got a bug report now. How do I see the bug how do I see the log? What happened? I don't know. Show me the log. Worker log. Manifest JSON. Let me look at you. It's in logs. Okay. Innkeep 6 logs. It's this, right? What is happening? Unsupported. Not lonely. Not lonely fire. Successfully reloaded assembly. Shader. Not lonely. Not lonely fire. Fallback shader. Additive not found. This can't be why it's crashing. Not lonely fire. Not lonely fog. All this not lonely stuff. Not lonely has got to go. I don't know what it's doing, but it's got to go. A bit of a slow morning for me. Don't really want to work today, or rather, I don't want to go to the 3 meetings I have. I'm sorry. I feel ya. I don't want to go to work either. I don't have to right now, but I still don't want to. Okay, this not lonely stuff. Not lonely is in towns and furniture? Not lonely. Greenwood. Yeah. Okay. This thing is complaining. This thing hates life. So how does one fix this? This is the one that I aggressively downgraded all of the, or I downres all of the files, but I also changed some to JPEG. Maybe that's the problem. Where are the materials? Here we go. Models, materials. So here we have butterfly colors. Okay. Fence. Yep. Garden bed. Garden bed soil diffuse. Garden bed normal. Fix now. Maybe that's the problem. Greenwood text. Hoss B. Hoss A. So yeah, these are all missing their textures, but they don't look upset. They don't look upset. This one looks upset. No, I can't do that because oh, this is the wrong texture too. Ooh, stupid. This is the wrong texture. And it's fire effects. Like, everything is fire effects related. Particles. Where's fire effects? Here's fire effects material. That's cold, warm. I mean, shader. Yeah. Doesn't like it. So what are these? Legacy shader particles additive. Legacy shaders. Particles additive. Particles additive. Legacy shaders particles additive. Okay. Same with this one. Sure. Is that better? Are we still screwed? Back from Counter-Strike. It was a quick one. Welcome back. I think I'm gonna do some more pixel art. There we go. I like that. What is going on here? UI. Vacation spot. This is where we crashed last time. And then I click this button, force open. Wait, it opens now. Yo, Emil. Okay, it opened now. And I can close it. Force open. Force open. Close. Force open. So what did I do? I changed a material type that wasn't being used. And now this doesn't crash. What? That doesn't make any sense. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Whatever. What am I supposed to do about it? Nothing I can do about it. It just works now. Such a strange bug. Yeah. Definitely is strange. Whoa. What just happened? I came back from the town and I ported somewhere else. Oh, jeez. That was weird. What just happened? Back from town and it brought me here. Whoops. Oops. So it's an oversight. Excuse me, town scene. Yeah, that was a weird one. I don't know. Works now. Lucky me. So this location doesn't go to east entrance. It goes to west. In west entrance. Go here. Yeah. Come back. Yeah, okay. Whoops. That was weird. Train station looks good. This looks good. Whoa. Oh no. I deleted these rock textures. I don't even like these rocks anyway. It might be time to make my own rocks. I keep deleting stuff that's like being used. Like this big tree in the middle. I deleted that. That I knew I was deleting though. Why am I stuck? Get remaining distance. Can only be placed on a nav mesh. Why doesn't this have a nav mesh? Maybe, oh, did I accidentally delete it? I might have deleted that nav mesh. Man, I deleted a lot. Hike loop, see. No, I didn't delete this folder. It still exists. Weird. Nav mesh. Surface. Show nav mesh. Yeah, there is none. Bake. What? Where is it? Size? Where is the gizmo? Oh, there it is. Okay, now we have an F mesh. I don't know. More space, more freedom, less neighbors. I like my apartment. It's very cozy. All right, now we're good. We're back. Let me guess. Paul's cabin is messed up. Nope, Paul's cabin's fine. Is that all the zones? Yeah, I think that's all of them. Oh, I never tested these in fall. Well, that's what they look like in winter. Dither, how's it going? Welcome in. I think it's finally time to make these trees grow slower, because right now they grow once a day. They grow to the next stage, and I always just had that as a test. I think I'm good now. I think I can finally make it take like 5 to 10 days for the trees to grow. So that is in grow tree, birch tree. Stages. Do these all have identical? I can. Okay, cool. I can change them all at once. They all have the same whatever. Days to mature. Does that mean day? Ooh. What does that mean? I think that's how many days it takes to get to the next one. So days to mature take, let's say it takes 5 days per stage. So I think I need to add a seedling stage too. I'm not going to do that right now though. On harvest. Wait, what? There is no harvesting these. You don't get anything. That's weird. All right. So there was before all this, I was working on one silly little UI issue, and it was being a pain. It was basically the wrong button is selected when I open up a modal UI window, because I have multiple modal UIs and it's only selecting the first one and not like the correct one. So if I open up the mailbox, I go to this letter, great, new scary letter, exit. Okay, this modal window opened up, but this button is not selected. It's a different button that's selected, a button that is hidden. So how do I get this button selected? What is going on here? It's weird because I put in a fix, but the fix doesn't work. So something else is going on. Right now, the currently selected button is continue button. I need to name them so I know which is which. Mr. Zombie. Good Morgan. Good Morgan. You know I don't speak French. So. Oh, button text. Oh, that's why. Because I did the wrong thing. I did the wrong thing. Oh, no, that's button text. First select. Yeah. This is right. This is right. I just woke up. My eyes are all closed and I want coffee. Stop being so chilled. What do you want me to do? You want me to be your morning wacky show? I can't do that. I'm in my late afternoon chill mood. Dance for me, monkey. No. Never. How's it going? I'm 2 at the annoying UI part. Yeah, it happens, right? I'm doing all right. 30 minutes ago, I was dealing with Unity crashing to the desktop without any logs, but that seems to be resolved now by a very stupid method. I don't know. Unity was having a very strange panic attack because some shader in a pack that was not being used was just somehow being rendered at some time, or I don't know. I don't even know what's happening. I don't even want to guess. Okay, so standard UI modal panel. This continue button is called now standard continue button. The tutorial modal panel is now called the tutorial continue button. The tutorial modal panel should be first selecting the tutorial continue button. Yeah. Do that, please. And I'm going to do that because some weird thing is happening. The order of this is not happening correctly. Also, it's freezing in here. Speaking of chill, I'm chilly. If there's any venture capitalists out there that want to help invest in the IRL Alpine Lake, let me know. I got the property lined up. Let me know. Yo, Killica. Good morning. Excuse me. Honestly, I don't think I can be energetic right now. Something's wrong with my voice. Like it feels something, I don't know. Something's going on with it. I feel like it's like being held back. It's like crackly and I'm constantly clearing my throat. It's really annoying. Maybe it was the burrito I had for lunch. Killica, how you doing? So selecting nothing, selecting slot 0, selecting tutorial continue button. Good. Selecting nothing again. But why then? Why then is the currently selected button this standard continue button? If I go to event systems, the selected thing is now nothing. Oh, what? Who's trying to select nothing? I see. So when select null, the last deactivated marker is trying to select null. Interesting. If activate. So who is being deactivated? The hotbar UI. Okay. Very tired. I also just woke up. Good morning. Welcome to the party. This is basically just a Good Morning Europe stream. But it's not a party. It's very chill. I'm going to put you back to sleep. All right. So it looks like the previous UI is deselecting itself. What I should be saying is that only select null if one of its current objects is selected. That's what I should be doing. That's annoying. Current selected. So how do I check that? Check valid selection. Here we go. Excuse me. Oh my God. Container. Focus object. I just need this code right here. For each container in approved containers, if it's a child of that container. Got it. So I need to know what is currently selected. So how do I do that? Event system dot get dot current. Right? I'm using Unity Engine event systems. This is the UI event system. Event system.current. If event system.current.transform is child of container, then I want to do this and break out. That's when I want to select null. I want to deselect it. I want to deselect its selection only if it is selected. Okay. About to leave work, almost there. You can do it, soul. You can make it. I believe in you. Oh no. Wait. That's terrible. Why is this doing this all the time? Stop. Why is this doing this all the time? Check valid selection. Set selected. Check valid selected. If nothing is focused, let's autofocus on the last good selection. Print null. Why? It shouldn't be doing that, like, it shouldn't be spamming that. That's crazy. I'm just finding all sorts of bugs today. It's just one of those days where everything's a bug. God damn it. Yeah, no. Um, so null selection. Let's see who's got the null selection. Oh, it's probably one of the modal windows that I just renamed, right? It's gotta be. No, hotbar selection. There we go. That stopped it. So why didn't it have a selection? That's weird. I cheese the buttons, and instead of animating them, I just move their position down and right by 2 when you press them. I'm such a genius. That works. All right, so this is weird. Why isn't this selected when the game first starts? If nothing is focused, let's autofocus on the last good selection. Current selection. What if there was no last good selection? Well, how about that? Yeah. If there is no last good selection, let's select the first thing. How about that? If current selection equals null, or let's just say if it doesn't equal null, then select it. Else, the last good thing is never selected, so let's select the first thing. Previously cache selection, valid child, current selection, set selected. I want to, yeah, this. This is lame. Go through all of the approved containers. Find the first selectable child that is active and select that. Okay. This is a huge hack. What I should be doing is figuring out why this all of a sudden doesn't work. But instead, I'm going to just going to put a band-aid on it. A little catch-all. There we go. Well, wait, selecting slot 35. Why is this? It went through the list of all of them and selected all of them? Because the... Interesting. So it looks like it goes backward. Oh, because I'm not breaking out. It's just going to keep doing it. Break. This is the this is a funny situation where I want to do a go-to. I want to do a go-to line because I want to break out of both of these. We'll break out. Break out equals true. And then if break out break. Okay. Double break. Bezos. Bezos gotta get his Bezos bucks. Yo, bad manners. How are ya? Got a slow day today. Not much progress. Lots of bugs. Lots of bug fixing. Stupid bugs. All right. Well, at least that's not spamming anymore, and this is properly selected. That's good. Back to my original issue. Yeah, I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. So my original issue is when you exit this menu, this button. Oh, look, selecting standard continue button. Why would it be doing that? Also, this is still trying to unselect itself. 291. Right, because I didn't comment it out. No, wait. Activate marker. This is in the true. This is trying to activate. Try activating. Yeah, weird. So what's the deal? What's going on here? Try activating hotbar selection marker equals true. And that's weird because we're definitely turning it off. Selecting slot 0. Selecting tutorial continue button, which is right. Try activating hotbar selection marker. So the hotbar is turning off, which is correct. Selection marker. True. Oh, wait. And the correct thing is selected right now. Tutorial continue button. But why don't we have a... Why didn't I have Oh, because it must have been in mouse mode. Okay. I think it's working now, sort of. The next issue is when I hit escape, it doesn't close the menu, it opens the pause menu. It shouldn't be able to open the pause menu from a modal window. Okay. That's activated, right? We're in mouse mode, or we're in keyboard mode. Now it's trying to select the wrong one. Try activating selection marker 0. Or who is this? Who are you? I don't know who you are. It's just called selection marker. Selecting standard button, standard continue button. No, 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 not neat. Not neat. Two identical things. Two non-identical behaviors. Like I did the same thing twice and different things happened each time. What the hell? These ads. Crazy. This isn't the one I just listened to, right? I don't think so. Nah. The only difference was one of them was in mouse mode and one of them was in keyboard mode. I can't imagine those have any influence on what modal window opens, right? So I'm in mouse mode right now. If I pause it, there's no selection indicator, which tells me I'm in mouse mode. I go to mailbox, I go here, I go back. Tutorial continue button is the currently selected thing. That's the correct thing. That's this button. It's fantastic. But now I'm using controller / keyboard mode. I go here, letter button 0, yeah. Close button, yeah. Letter button 1, yeah. Close the mailbox, slot 0, standard continue button. It's different. So depending on what controller mode I'm in is selecting a different button. That's crazy town. That's crazy town. So when do I do different behavior based on what controller is being used? I mean, I do it a lot. Do I do it here? Try activating name. Try activating selection marker. Standard continue button. Let's see. Standard continue button. Let's also do this. Standard modal selection marker. Tutorial modal selection marker. All right, controller mode. Oh, right. Controller mode. Controller mode. Yep, yep. Standard continue button is trying to be selected. How? Because the UI controller. Inventory selection marker. UI controller. is saying activate it. Delayed open. Selection marker. Am I getting the selection marker if I don't have one? What if it's null? If it's not null. If it's not null, I don't do anything. What line of code is this? 423. No, not you. 297. No, not you either. 156. 156. If it's not null, activate it. It should be null. That's the problem. I definitely made it null. No, I didn't make it null. Wait a minute. Modal info canvas. Standard selection marker. None. Ugh. I didn't have it null. I'm going to head out. See you later, everyone. Foil. Deneth, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you? Foil, have a good one. Okay, this is right. Yep. And nope. Now what's selected? It is selected. Maripon, how are you? Good day to you. Good afternoon. Us yourself. All right, so now this is working, but this is hidden. If I unhide it, tutorial mode selection marker, and I show this, it doesn't like it. It doesn't like it. Event system. Okay, it's not activating properly. I need to activate it. That's right. Okay. I need to activate it. So that's the problem. Easy peasy. Modal info panel. I can't just turn it on. GUI system.set selected. I also need to turn on the selection marker. .get component selection marker, inventory selection marker. And then else we need to turn it off. This is why I wrote my own. This is why I wrote my own GUI system. Why am I not using it right now? I'm being stubborn with this. It does all these things for me already. All right, now it's the problem. It's still not on. There we go. Always, if it's not always visible. Should it? Always visible. Activate it, yeah. Tutorial, wait, what? Why are you deactivating instantly? Is that what it was doing? It was deactivating it instantly? Yeah. It activated it and deactivated it instantly. Selectables present. Go through all the containers and find a selectable. Does it not have a container? Approved. Oh. Nah. It doesn't. There we go. All right. I think I'm finally good. Yo, that was painful. Also, this Unity throwing these GUI errors doesn't help when I'm trying to fix my own GUI errors. There we go. Oh my god. So now what happens when I hit escape? Lethy, hello. How are you? Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Right. That looks good. Yep, yep. That's selected. If I hit escape, it still opens up this menu. Now, why is that happening? You're doing well. I hope you're good too. Yeah, I'm doing okay. I'm hitting a lot of stupid bugs right now, but I'm getting through them. Or I'm finding a lot of stupid bugs that weren't there before. But I'm getting through them slowly. All right, so now the problem is I can open up this menu from the other menu. Why, when I hit escape from a modal window, does this happen? Pepe XP. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, and also, this is now spamming like crazy. Selecting. Oh, it looks like this modal window when I hit escape isn't closing properly. Let's see. Hi, I'm finishing my Postman Academy course. Any good free courses about QA and tests you could tell? What? I don't understand the question. Postman Academy? Like to be a postman? Any free courses about QA and tests? QA about what? I'm not sure I understand the question. The Postman software. Oh, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. What happens if I do this properly? I hit neat. Okay, if I close it properly, it actually goes away. So the issue is, it's just the one issue. When I hit the escape key, why is the escape key even available to me? Sorry. No worries. No worries. What is that? Yeah, what is Postman software? The world's leading API platform. Postman is your single platform for collaborative API development. Join 35 million devs building great API. 35 million devs? That's a lot of devs. That's so many devs. For some reason, I don't buy it. No, maybe there could be 35 million devs using that. That sounds like a very successful piece of software. All right, so how do you hit escape and open the pause menu. I think it's from the player nav. The player nav listens for pause menu allowed, pause bar, pause hotbar, deactivate controller, activate controller. It's not here. I think it's in the player movement controller. Is this where it is? No. How about the player controller? Bool events. There we go. No. Input. Wait, where does it listen for input? Player movement controller listens for input. Okay. So when I hit the escape key right here, pause system on, it's this guy. So interaction disabled. Yeah, it's definitely player nav. We must not be paused when the modal window is open. That's weird. Am I able to run around? I've never noticed. I don't think so. Look. Yeah, I'm not able to run around. If I'm not able to run around, then why am I able to hit the escape key? I wonder if it's because this is closing. It's enabling the character controller in the same frame, and then the character controller is listening to the escape key press. It's just all happening in one frame. That's not supposed to happen. That's definitely... This is supposed to wait one frame before it releases, just to sort that situation out. Yo, Turgus! Good evening to you. How are you? Oh, also before, I tried to give a shout out to Anihan. But it wouldn't let me because I needed to wait a minute. And then, of course, I forgot because that happens every single time. But yeah, shout out to Anihan Shard. Make sure to give him a follow. Give them a follow. One of my online classes is forcing us to do a group project. We have to make a children's book on ocean ecosystems. I created a Discord server because I figured it would be the easiest way to communicate and share files. One of my team members says she can't figure out Discord and sent out her Snapchat. Snapchat? So, like, the messages are videos and they go away after you view them? That's pretty weird. You should use Google Meets, like Google Chat. That's probably the best. Good old Google Chat. Not understanding Discord. I mean, Discord, it's not like... It's not hard, but it's not super easy, I guess. It's a weird concept to understand the logging in and the channels and, you know, I don't know. That's very strange. All right, so if I go to the player nav, right? Player nav, player systems, primary controllers, player navigator. It is debug. We're busy. No, we're not busy, but we are paused. See, we're active, not busy, but we're paused. And when I hit escape, we're still paused. We never unpaused. Who is pausing? Who's opening this window? What? Maybe it's happening so fast I just can't see it, because it would be happening in one frame. Like, it would be repausing that in one frame, and it's probably not updating the UI until the end of that one. So, what's going on here? If I hit escape, boom, print, listening for this. Is this the thing? I just want to do the project and let others take credit. Just leave me alone and I will get us all an A. That sounds kind of fun. You got to make a children's book? Are you going to do the drawings? Is it supposed to be illustrated? Is everyone in the class going to use AI generated imagery? Also, what are your classes for? What are you studying right now? If you don't mind me asking. You do need illustrations. All right, I'm going to clear the console. I'm going to hit escape. And who did this? Listening for this. That's right. Okay. It did do the thing. Excuse me. Why? So input system. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It came from the same button that closed the previous window. Does that mean all of my UIs are busted? What if I open up the journal and hit escape? Does the journal open up the pause menu? I bet not. Open up the journal, hit escape. No, the journal closes this. It doesn't. So yeah, when I hit escape, it should close the previous and then open pause menu. Why does the modal just skip that? Yo, 35 stream streak. Awesome. Biggs, how are you? Right now I'm just knocking out some basic classes. But what class is that for? What kind of fun class has such a fun project? Shout out to Biggs. Award-winning game dev. Racking up those awards. Piling them on the shelf. Cannot be touched. Everyone make sure to follow Biggs. Environmental science. Okay. That makes sense. That makes perfect sense. Environmental science. Like in high school, I remember having, you had to take the sciences. There were 4 choices and you only needed to take 3 of them. And it was earth science, biology, chemistry, and physics. And everyone, when they first went into high school, every single freshman in my grade took earth science first. Like the study of Earth, the planet, rocks, terrain, climates, all that stuff. I did not take earth science. I hated this. I hated the idea of it. I went straight for biology and then chemistry. And then I took physics in 11th grade. And I never took earth science. And I'll be going on a hike with my wife and she'll be like, look at this kind of rock. And I'm just like, what is that? I don't know what kind of rock that is. She's like, didn't you take earth science? No, I didn't take earth science. I don't know anything about rocks. She's always schooling me in rocks. Planet rocks. Planet does rocks. Yeah, what is going on here? I must not be closing this properly. So how do I close the modal window? Let's see. I close on cancel button. That's what I do. Close on start button. I wonder if I'm double closing. So if I hit the... If I hit the cancel button, does this thing cancel it? Does this thing close it too? This is just a panel. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't listen for anything. No, it doesn't listen for anything. I have a closed timer. Closed timer. What? Closed time. If closed timer does not equal -1. Oh, it looks like I auto close. What is close GUI? Called by button. Close GUI. If the manager is empty, close, wait. If the manager queue is empty, I call close and I close the modal info. Else, I show the next one. And temporary game objects go with it. And the canvas. Okay. Who else calls this function? I bet the button does, of course. This button calls. Where is it? No, that's the selection marker. This button. It calls close GUI. Yes. Yes. Correct. You do that. But this button also listens for the escape. Close on. Oh, maybe I just don't close on cancel. What if I don't close on cancel? No, but I want you to be able to close on cancel. It's possible I just need to do something different. Okay, now I can't close it on cancel, which that's fine. It's a fix, but it's not a good one. I want you to be able to close that on cancel. Yo, Yag. How are ya? I took an oceanography class at another school, and this one won't take it. It was actually a difficult excuse me. It was actually a difficult class. It covers physics, earth science, chemistry, and biology. Like they won't take the credit, so you don't get the credit for it. That sucks. Just waking up. Good morning. Easy for you to say. No, it was not easy for me to say. It was very difficult. How are you? I am good. I'm doing good. I'm just like, I don't know. I had a plan today, but I ended up just fixing a bunch of bugs and crashes, and I guess that's progress, but they were bugs and crashes that I just didn't know existed, and I keep unraveling more and more of them. So it's not great. Beegs, I think your cat is walking on your keyboard. I think they allowed it as an elective, but I'm having to take another science. Oh, like it didn't count as a science class. That's obnoxious. I think the same thing happened to me when I went from my community college to my state school. I transferred from a community college to a state school, and something didn't count. I can't remember what. I think it was art history. Or maybe I don't remember. Something didn't transfer. It was annoying. Better you finding them than a player, of course. Of course. All right, I think close GUI is being called twice, and if I really want to fix this bug without hitting that checkbox, then I got to do the right thing. What I got to do is these things now need to listen for close event and close the right way. So I'll do that. It shouldn't be that hard. Shouldn't be that hard. No. On enable. Wait. This start listening input button event. This dot stop enable or stop listening. And if, oh wait, whoops. Public void on events. If canvas group dot alpha equals 0 return. That's how I'm going to tell if this is a functioning thing. Else, copy paste code from here. If escape key is hit, I want to cancel, or I want to get out of here. Close GUI. I think that's all I got to do. I think I also have to make sure that this is not hit twice. So I need an active window, an active bool. Public bool. Active. Toggle. When toggle on. Toggle canvas. We active equals true. And then this is now if active equals false, we return. And when we close the GUI, or not just close, we want to toggle canvas. Yeah. Just active equals toggle. We'll do it up top. Up top. Kumezu, how's it going? I am home, soul. Welcome home. Another English speaker who spent time in Japan told me Japanese people do www instead of ha ha ha. I've maybe heard that. I don't know. I'm pretty sure we had this exact interaction before. And I was confused then and I'm confused now. Also, shout out to Turgus. Kumezu, how are you doing? Just woke up, noticed you stream. Gotta come in and check it out. Yeah, how are you? Good morning to you. How's the game coming? Did we? I think so. I'm remembering this. I don't know. Maybe it was someone else, but let's just keep doing this interaction once every few months. It's good. It's good. One day we'll remember, like, oh, this happened before. Guaranteed. And that means we're learning. Oh, ads. Sorry for the ads. Okay. This might fix my problems. Might not. I've got a good feeling about this. If this is fixed, then I can move on with my life. I can go back to making new content instead of fixing bugs. We're not getting spammed. Yeah, we do that. We close. No, funk. So I guess it's that. That's the issue. That's the issue. I think. Oh. I think I know what's going on. A GUI controller, when it listens for an escape key press, cancel button, I invoke close button pressed. Huh. No, I still call it immediately. I don't wait a frame. Cancel button, escape key, yeah, on down. I invoke on cancel button pressed, yep. And then I close. Player nav. I'm pretty sure this was supposed to wait a beat before it activates. How does it listen for pauses? Pause player. Yep, pause. So we just instantly set pause to paused. If we're not paused and we're active, we register the inputs. Okay. Delayed set pause. What is this? I do this when we pause the player. Delayed set pause. If we're pausing, we pause. If we're unpausing, we wait a frame. So we should be waiting a frame before we can listen for that event that says, hey, open up the unpause pre-wait, print, unpause post-wait, and then pausing set to. Okay. Yeah, this is so weird. Trying to model the character, it's pretty tough. Oh no. Well, shout out to Kumezu. Finn, welcome back. Finisf ein. Yar bongos, yar bongos, yar bongos, yar bongos. Why doesn't it show that emote anymore? I wonder if that is now a banned term. All right, I go here, right? I clear. Open this letter. Yep, clear. Close this, right? And then close this. Oh my God. 70 things are setting pause to true. God, that is spammy. Whoa. Okay. Unpause pre-wait happens so many times because this isn't being inherited by so many different classes. I guess I need to say the thing. I need to say who's doing it. String.format, you're dead to me. We don't need you in our lives anymore. There we go. I don't know. It's still going to spam the hell out of me. I'm barely going to be able to read this. I just lost my 200 stream streak for Pirate Software yesterday. Oh my god, Kilika. I am so sorry for your loss. Also, 200 stream streak. Damn. There it is. Yeah. Still lets me use. Yeah, for some reason, souls are blocked and Darkwoods are not. Oh, wait. You're doing. Oh, Dumpy. The Dumpies aren't working. Actually, no. Anything soul posts is not working. Yarb Dumpy and Yarbongos. Do you guys see Soul's emotes or is it just me? Today is my renewal day. Oh, maybe that's why. No one can see it. Oh, I see. It's my prime. Oh, he's on right now. Go get him back. I think a lot of people lost their streak yesterday for him since he streamed so short because of the power outage. Oh no, that sucks. Luckily, I maintained my 87. Nice. Polyglot, you will survive. Yeah. How you doing, Polyglot? Yeah, they all seem to work. It's just, I guess, maybe your sub ran out or something. You see it? Oh, that's weird. It says I can renew today, but I gotta wait. I didn't miss a pirate stream for 9 solid months back in the day. Didn't have stream streaks though. Damn, beegs. Wait, so what am I checking? I forget what I'm even checking for now. Clear this, right? And hit escape. 68 things happened. Hey, player nav. Pausing set to false. That means we're unpausing. Pretty much the first thing we're doing is unpausing. Why? How are we unpausing so fast? It all comes from once upon a time, there was a button press. Restore previous. Yeah, GUI closes. What closes though? That's what I want to know. Modal info panel. Yeah, the modal info panel is closing. Yep. Close request. Restore previous state. Boolean. What is this? What is this? Tasty Dew, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, bool event. It's trying to Oh, I see what's happening. I see what's happening. I have to wait a frame for this. This needs to be an enumerator. Private void I enumerator. No, private I enumerator. Delayed restore previous pause state. I didn't learn my lesson the first time. And I need to just, yeah, I just yield, return, new, wait for end of frame. I just need to wait one little frame. Start coroutine delayed. Delayed restore. Oh my God, I'm so silly. Such a goose. Pumpkinhead Play, good morning. How are you? I would have had a 75 plus booyah streak, but someone decided to go to a party one Friday a few weeks ago. That was that one? Really? You lost your streak with me because of that? Damn. I'm sorry, Kilika. If it makes you feel any better, I'm glad I went. So it was worth the loss of your streak for me to enjoy my time, right? Your sadness was counteracted with my happiness. See, if your sadness counteracted with me not enjoying myself, then we both would be sad and there would be an imbalance in the world, but balance achieved. Lots of people lost it that night. Some people didn't. Some people didn't. Also, don't worry about the streaks. The streaks aren't important. Don't let them get to you. I had a 35 stream streak in Grumbles and I lost it. That made me a little sad. But now I don't care about streaks anywhere. They're all dead to me. And I feel so much better. I did not. No, you didn't, Turgus. If it makes you feel better, see. I feel like you were all expecting me to say I had a bad time, but I had a good time. Oh, you know what I watched yesterday? I want to hear people's opinions on this. I watched Deadpool Wolverine. What did you guys think of Deadpool Wolverine? It finally came out on Disney Plus, so I caught it. Everyone, give me your opinions. Beegs enjoyed it. Qmez loved it. Okay. Keep them coming. Keep the opinions coming. I want to hear. Boom. Problem solved. We're fixed. Bug fixed. I thought that I won't watch it. Yeah, why? I loved it, but I'm a massive Marvel fan. That's interesting, Darkwood. And so I haven't. I wasn't planning on watching it. I mean, I like watching the Marvel movies. I just don't like run to the theater for them. I never did. I watch them on Disney Plus when they're out, and that's that. Fun movie, Virtue, nice. I have not watched it yet. All right. Not a big Marvel fan. That's totally fair. I think Marvel has been like, I don't know. It was definitely an oversaturation. I like the movie. I thought it was fun. I don't love any of them. Maybe like Thor 2. Like I kind of loved Ragnarok. Which one was Thor Ragnarok? There was definitely a Thor that I was like crying laughing the whole time. That was 3? I feel like it wasn't 3 though. Maybe it was 2. Oh no, I deleted this shader too. All right, that's fine. I wanted to remake these picnic tables anyway. Look at these I don't know if nobody's noticed this probably, but these picnic tables, it's just the bench, a bigger bench, and then the bench. It's just like the 3 benches. Maybe it's time to remake these picnic tables in my style. Just like these grills. These grills are in my style. Deadpool movie was better than last Venom, unfortunately, and I love Venom more. So I have a friend who's like obsessed with the Venoms, and he loves them, but he really hated this last one. And I have never seen any of them. I've never seen a single Venom. Ragnarok is the best Thor. That was 3. Thor 2 was Dark World, which is the worst. Thor 2 was boring. I tried watching it 3 separate times and could not stay awake. Interesting. Yeah, whatever Ragnarok was, I feel like was the one I loved. The first Thor movie was my favorite. I remember really liking the first one too. My partner as well loves Venom. He was disappointed as well. Yeah, it's weird. Should I watch them? Do I need to watch all the Venoms? Thor 3 for sure is what you liked. It had the Hulk in it. Wait a minute, but that was the one where he goes to space and I mean, yeah, he kind of goes to space in all of them, but he like goes to that is that where he meets Zeus? No. I don't remember. They're all a blur to me. They're all a blur. See, I'm not like a huge Marvel fan. The Deadpools are always super fun. time is it? 2:46. Okay. All right. So that bug is fixed. Well, not a bug, but now I can hit escape and not be bounced back to the pause menu. I can hit escape out of that. Ragnarok is probably one of my top picks from all the Marvel movies. Definitely top 5. Zeus is the most recent one. Oh, that's 4. That's right. Okay. 4. I didn't see. I thought 3 was the latest Thor, but there's a Thor 4. That's right. Okay. All right. I'm now. It's clear. Thor 3. Fantastic. Thor 4. It's fine. It's fine. Ragnarok had Jeff Goldblum. I love Jeff Goldblum so much. I am a massive Jeff Goldblum fan. All right, I gotta get rid of all these print statements muddying up the game. Soul, thank you for the hydrate. Everyone loves Jeff Goldblum. I know that's true. I know that's true. I know I'm not cool for liking Jeff Goldblum. He's universally loved by all. This all started from me trying to talk to Jules and open up a UI. I think that works now. Skill giver, savable, modal panel. This one's good, it's fine. This one's good, timekeeper, time system, vacation system. Back to where we started, right back to where we started. Okay. Let's talk to Jules. Let's have a word with Jules for a second. Oh, also, I need to update the elevation. Remember, every new follow increases the elevation of Alpine Lake by 1 meter. So now we're at 1447. What happens at 1500? Something? 1500 hour stream? 1500 minute stream? How many minutes? How many hours is that? $1,500 divided by 60. That's a 25-hour streak? No, I'm not doing that. 1,500 seconds. I'll do 1,500 seconds. You can do it now. I'll never do that. Maybe I'll do it on like release day. Maybe I do it on release day. But other than that, no way. I think I'd hurt myself. Suggest a vacation. Oh, very nice. Let's hear what you got for me. Yay! 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 Okay. So now I want to pick one. You can't pick one yet. And I want to indicate whether she's been to it already. And I want her to respond. And I want to, oh, and she needs to despawn. And she needs to despawn the next day like she went. 25-hour EverQuest stream? What am I just going to get to level 3? Actually, in 25 hours, you can probably get to level like 25. Maybe higher. Probably get to level 30. How fast can you get to level 30? Nah, probably not. That shit takes forever. That game takes for freaking ever. Okay. What's the first thing I need to do? I need to respond to the button click. That's what I need to do. And I kind of already do this when I suggest something from the map. So how does the map do it? Map button, map location, location display button. On click. What? Ugh. Where's the on click? UI, map canvas. Scroll map view. Here's a button. On click, what happens? Map canvas. This on map button click. Okay, map manager. The map manager. On click. On click. I listen for click. If we're listening for clicks. Sound effect event. We throw a sound effect event. Selection clicked. Sure. Not discovered yet. Okay. Hotspot button selected. Current hotspot. So who listens for this? The guest interactable listens for it. And if we're awaiting a suggestion, we say thank you. We start a coroutine that says thank you. Okay. And how do we do that? We just straight up magic string it. We magic string it, post hotspot suggestion, and we say thank you. Okay. Generic response, post hotspot suggestion. So Jules needs a similar conversation, I guess. That means Jules, I need a function here that's just very specific to Jules only. That's annoying. Is there a better way to do this? Don't know. Did everyone follow Finn? Finn is fine. My fine mod. Yeah, I guess I'll just do the same thing. Or maybe I'll put it in the who's that? I only know Finn's Sifty Cat. Well, this is like the reincarnation of Finn's Sifty Cat, you know? It's like if Finn's Sifty Cat crawled into a box with glitter and cheese. And the box shook up a lot. You don't know why. You don't know what happened in there. And out popped Finn is fine. Try following him. If you like Finn's Sifty Cat, it's possible you'll like Finn is fine. They're very similar. Ugh. All right, what am I doing here? The vacation system can listen for these events. I don't need to make a whole new thing. Maybe that's what I'll do. I think that's what I'm going to do. The vacation system will just listen for vacation chosen events. And maybe it can just be a game object event. Maybe I don't need an elaborate like new event. I'll throw an event that I already use. Interactable event? No. I'll throw a game object event. And I'll call it vacation spot chosen equals 39. And then the vacation system can listen for that. Game object. If E, oh my God, E dot event type equals vacation spot chosen. If we've chosen a vacation spot, what then? We want to close this user interface and we want to say, yeah, we just want to do literally this same thing. I'm just going to make this a function here. It's going to be called vacation spot chosen. And oh crap. That's right. So we don't have a reference to a dialog trigger. I guess we can just, can we just call it directly dialog system, dialog manager dot start conversation Jules basic Jules post vacation suggestion. We don't need to do that, and we don't need to do that, and we don't need that. We don't need that. Or actually, print say thank you. No, it's criminal. It's criminal for them to put ads at the end of YouTube videos, but not play anything after. Criminal. All right. So when you choose one from that UI, throw the event. Come here. Chosen one. We have to see if this is a good suggestion. The ads are at the end now. Yeah. And I don't have autoplay on, so it's not like playing the ad of the next video. It's literally an ad to end the video. So you'll watch that ad thinking your next video is playing, but then you'll go to the next video because it just stops and they'll play another ad. So many ads. Okay. Excuse me. So on click, public void on click. We want to game object event dot trigger this. Vacation chosen this. And not this, game object. Oops, Game Boy. Game object. And I probably want to do the same thing that the map button does, where I check to see if I can suggest this first, and if I can't, I throw this. Did I completely forget that I need to check if these things are discovered or not? Learned. No. I do have a learned. Okay. So if they're learned, I don't want to show them. Vacation system, vacation scroll manager. If learned equals false, I continue. So how do I know them all already? Wait, what? If it's not learned, I continue. Did I auto learn them? Oh, I auto learned them here. Let me just not learn them. And I will add that here. Okay. So if they're not learned, I can't even choose them. I don't need a check for that then. But if she's already been there, then I do want to not be able to suggest that. So how do I know if she's already been there? Basically, if she's already been there, return date won't be -1. Got it. So if vacation system instance dot sheets vacation spot dot return date not equal -1. Ani, thank you for the hydrate. I used to be able to set it to just one single skippable ad at the end and then start YouTube, and then YouTube took away all the control. You mean you'd have the option? Already vacationed there. I'll say Jules has already vacationed there. Nah. All right, so I don't know any. I need to learn some. Let me just make sure that they don't populate now that they're not learned. It's both of your birthdays and your twins? Oh my god. Oh my god. What a coincidence. Happy birthday to you both. Happy Twins Day. It's also it's an International Twins Day. Doesn't matter what country you're from. It's International Twins Day. Time for the first meeting. This one hopefully shouldn't take too long. See you in a bit. Darkwood, I might not be here when you get back. Hint, hint. But enjoy your first meeting. NPC NPCs. Jules, don't go on your schedule. Stay next to me. Youngin, suggest a vacation. Oh, very nice. Let's hear what you got. No vacation spots discovered. What if this window closes and you haven't suggested anything? I guess you just walk away. All right, that's fine. Turgis. Turgis. Darkwood, you too. Would you like me to send you the album so you can play them ad-free? Killica. That would be nice. I don't mind it though. You get a little ad revenue, right? It's fine. I want you to get that ad revenue. Why are you all like this? You asked for it. You asked for it. This is Finn is, yeah, Finn is fine is Finn is fine. What did you do to Finn's sifty cat? Cheese and glitter. Cheese and glitter make Finn is fine. Finn's sifty cat. Negative. Veto. Sorry, Ani. So people wouldn't be like, oh, hi. Finnisk. Wait, what did people used to say? People used to say Finn Snifty. Finn Snifty. Everyone called you Finn Snifty. Soul Retriever has their emotes back. Nice. Are you over there in Pirate Software's channel? A variety of things. Nifty Cat. One of my friends still calls me Nifty Cat. Yag will remember that. Yeah, you're Nifty Cat now. Why'd you even say that? You know everyone's going to call you Nifty Cat now. Excuse me. All right, I need to learn all of the spots and then see if she responds to it. Oh, right. I also didn't make the conversation. I have to make a conversation that's called post-vacation suggestion. Jules, new conversation. It's going to be called Basic Jules post-vacation suggestion. Yep. And she's going to say, oh, where'd she go? What? There we are. Create child node. Oh, wait, you know what I want to do actually? No, delete conversation. Delete. I want to duplicate the other one. Guest response, generic response, post hotspot suggestion. Because this, look how wonderful this is. Look how wonderful it is. Duplicate this one. Copy. Basic. Jules. Post vacation. So productive lately, Atrum. Untrue. After 18. No, we don't want any time-based responses. What are the things she can say when you suggest one? If I were a 75 to 80-year-old woman who lived in the woods. And I was just suggested to go on a vacation by someone I just met and had one conversation with. What are the different responses I'd have? Huh. That seems a little out of my depth. But if you think I should go, if you think I should try it, I should go, I'll go. Here's one. Okay, creep. Oh, wow. I've never heard of that place, but it sure sounds interesting. What a funny coincidence. I was just Googling that place last night. So now Foogle's a thing. No. I was just toogling. I need a fake Google. I was just searching. I was just reading up on that place last night. There we go. Googling. I was just asking Jeeves. Hold on there. I have to make a phone call. Definitely not to the police. Oh, wait. Yag is channeling Fabius? Introducing some of you via my channel was a bad idea. I followed Booyah before I followed you. Oh, dang. Get wrecked. Because the ads? Did the ads wreck everyone? Fogling? Fogel. That's right. Fogel. I was just fogling. I think people would get it, but I'll keep the Google alt Google out of it because I don't want people to know that the internet exists in this game. I was just reading in the library. I'm trying so hard not to do an old lady voice. It's like hard. It's difficult. I need another slightly negative one. You really think I should go there? Okay. If you say so. And then one more. No way. No way. No way. No. Too many negatives. Just 2 is fine. That sounds perfect. I'll start packing immediately. Okay, I got my 5 responses. Canoodling? Canoodling does not sound like a fake Google. I guess that is an old-timey word, though. Alta Vista is making a comeback. Hold on, let me Google to check. Percent output 0. We don't output here. We never output. Quite sus. It's a joke only Yag will understand. Well, I'm sorry. I'm glad you got it. Need to get some sleep. Yeah, get some sleep. Get some sleep, Turgis. Have a beautiful night's sleep. Shout out to the Yag. The one and only Yag. Computer, how are you? Good morning. Yeah, that's you. That's you, Yag. Computer, how the hell are you? Where are my layer effects? These? There they are. Ooh, that's so bright. Turn it off. Turn it off. All right, so now this should pop up, and I need to relearn all of the sheets. Is this in start? No, this is in awake. Wait, until I tell you all right now. So there was a bug in StreamerBot that made any custom Python output respond as %output 0%. When I was testing my bot, Yag was in the channel with Chatterino, and she kept seeing the bot just output %output 0% until I found the bug report and switched to the beta. Wait, were you even live? You weren't even live, right? Is that the joke? Good morning. Tired and in pain. So clearly in my 30s. No. Are you? Hope you're not in pain for a reason. I hope you're in pain just from age. Why is everyone in their 30s in pain? What am I doing wrong to not be in pain? I don't know. Are you drugging yourself so you don't feel it? Are you self-medicating? You're probably moving around too much. Yeah, exactly. Are you sure you're in your 30s? Yeah, that's another question. If it helps, I got in early at 14. Spend most of your life sitting still, then also have a kid. You'll be with us in no time, Finn. If you don't grunt when you stand up or sit down, you're really not over 30. No. I was just in Vimlark's stream, and he was talking about like his body being in pain, and I mentioned that when I go to restaurants here that you have to sit on the floor. There's, they're not that common, but I'd say like once a month I go to a restaurant where you got to sit on the floor. Or maybe once every 2 months. And my body can't sit like Indian style, or it just can't do it without my legs falling asleep after 5 seconds. And so then what I'll end up doing is I'll sit on my side and I'll just like lean on the table. And it's so painful. I just can't do it. Do you guys know Vimlark? Shout out to Vimlark. Quick, let's give Finn our pain so he doesn't miss out. Now, it's good that Finn doesn't have any pain. Also, Fanny, how are you? Are you saying we should beat up? You literally just said, let's give him pain. Sharing is caring indeed. Finn's in his 40s. Oh, I'm sorry. Yar stinks. Oh, Japan's gonna ruin me next year when I visit. Nah, you'll be okay. It's pretty rare. It's fun. It's fun though. Blue Sky is exploding. Set up a starter pack for dev streamers. I'm already in like 3. I'm in like 3 dev streamer packs. Finmark is great. Yeah, he is. Yo, Red Cabin. What is up? How are you? Already got some for you. It's funny because the one starter pack I'm not in is the indie game dev starter pack. There's like a starter pack for this team. I'm not in it. I asked to be in it and then I didn't get in it. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, Fanny, I'm not in that one. I'm in a different one though. Actually, I'm only in one cozy. I'm in one streamer pack. I'm in 2 cozy gamer or cozy game dev packs. That's where all of my follows are coming from. It's probably the cozy, wholesome game dev packs. And it's all the ones that you comment on. Like you're the one finding them and putting me in them. I'm exhausted, did a lot today. I'm out of meds, but happy. All good stuff. All right. I'm glad you're happy. I'm not glad that you're out of meds because meds are good to have when you need them. I only know Vimlark from the times that he covered my jam, but it was indeed awesome when he did. Nice. Yeah, he still streams once a week. I catch him basically today. My Monday mornings, his Sunday night, I guess. How are you liking full-time dev? It's great, you know? I'm going to be so sad when it's over. Fanny, I just got your Discord message. Thank you. I'm taking care of this right now. Thank you. Did you ask Ali to add you? I think when she said like I made this, I like raised my hand. I did like a raising hand emoji or something. I guess my message didn't come across. I appreciate it though. I think my time making my own game full time might be the best time of my life. I was just happy. Yeah, I get that. Meeting is over. Darkwood, welcome back. I misread this and wondered, A, you have a jam. What flavor? And B, how did Vimlark get some? Is it sold in stores? If you had a jam flavor, what would your jam flavor be? It's a jam where you have to make a game in 3 hours and it runs every weekend. That's crazy. That's crazy. 3 hours. I couldn't get anything done in 3 hours. Look, this stream has been going on for 3 hours. And all I did was like fix 2 bugs and make a GUI stop crashing Unity. That's it. Imagine doing a full game in 3 hours. No way. I work too slow to game jam. That's what they all say. Until they get something done, yeah. GUI. I'll always say GUI because that's the right thing to say. What am I doing? Okay, let's see if this worked. You guys are distracting. We've been running it for 5 years. And we have like 1,500 games across hundreds of jams. That's insane. It's very impressive. Suggest a vacation. Oh, very nice. Let's hear what you got for me. Let's go to Little Sir. Little Sir, Little Sir, Little Sir. Damn it. Oh, I didn't hook up the thing. I didn't do the thing. Vacation spot. Vacation display? Vacation display. On click. Vacation display. On click. There we go. I mean, Fanny, also, there's now 100 people in our team, and there's only like 20 people in that pack. There's many other missing people. So many missing people. Go to Little Sir. Boom. Oh, wow, I've never heard of that place, but it sure sounds interesting. All right, so I didn't close that UI. So we got to close the UI. How do I close it in the map manager? I close map. There we go. So vacation display. I need to vacation spot chosen. I need to close this one. And vacation spots. Please include my full name. Pam Bam, Fanny Slam, Banana Tim Tam, Orangutan. You can shorten it to Fanny Slam if you must. Nope. Full thing is going in. It's fantastic. Into the credits you go. Boom. You're now the longest name in the credits. Did you just make this up right now? Or is this really like the full name? Because if you want to just be Fanny Slam, I'll leave it Fanny Slam. I got given it by a classmate when I was 17. Nice. All right. You're in. I like how it's not spelled incorrectly. Like this is like Emil Jason. That's spelled incorrectly. But Pam Bam, Fanny Slam, Banana Tim Tam, Orangutan, it's correct. Correct spelling. Computer Games, correct. Wordstone Studio, that is 100% the correct way to spell that. But Killica Beats, incorrectly spelled. Soul Retriever, nope, not correct. Falonier, What is this spell check that it's doing? I don't understand. Hadouken! How are you? Shout out to Fanny Slam, y'all. Pretty sure it's Wardrobe. He didn't want to be called Wardrobe in the credits. He had a choice. He had a choice and he made it. Bless you. Bless you. Okay. So now I need to close the UI. And I have a feeling when I close that UI, it's going to do a bunch of stuff. And when I restart the dialogue, it's not going to be right. And did I plan for that already? Is it in an I enumerator? Did I already put it in an I enumerator? Vacation system. I did. I already put it in an I enumerator, which means I think I can just close it. So vacation display, I close it and then I throw the trigger. Okay. Also, great name. I may need to rename one of my character abilities. Computer. Are you sure you wanted? Because Fanny Slime has that trademarked, and I don't think you could just use their name. Sounds perfect. I'll start. Okay, so it started the dialogue properly, but it unpaused everything too. Why did that happen? The map menu manager closes the map and it triggers hotspot button selected. Guest interactable starts this conversation. And when you start a conversation, it triggers on use instantly. It triggers on use instantly. And then we request open the dialogue. So I need to do this. Interactable event on conversation begin. Interesting. Do I need that? Do I need to throw all of these events? Let's see. Learn vacation, share versus vacation. This one. Wait a frame. On conversation begin. Ah, crap. Who listens to this and why? The vacation system? No, nobody listens to this. If nobody listens for it, I'm not going to do it. So I need to request open the dialogue and start this conversation at the same time. That's fair. I think that's how I repause everything. Okay. Makes sense. You mean I enumerator? No. I don't mean that, Vin. Are you a youngin'? You suggest a vacation. I want you to go to the Palapados Islands. That sounds perfect. I'll start packing immediately. Yes. Oh, but it doesn't know that it's her we're talking to. Why? Because conversation wasn't started from her. What if I change this to basic jewels? So now it knows it's her. I don't think that's going to work, though. Let's see. It's definitely not going to work. I think I need to do it from Jules, which is really stupid. I can't just do it from the system. Go to Little Sir. Oh, look at that. She looked. She looked. And she looked away. That's annoying, too. So when you open up the UI, she like turns back to her previous state. Costa Hormigo. Maybe I should just always have her like sitting in her house anyway. I mean, that's not a big deal. I don't actually mind. But this all works. So now I can suggest a place. I can suggest a place. Go to Costa Hormigo. Oh, wow. I never heard of that place, but it sure sounds interesting. All right. What's next? I need to... So I have a block of whether or not it's learned, and I have a block of whether or not she's been there already. So now I need to set the share vacation. I need to set which vacation we're sharing. Share vacation. And the spot is... I need to get the vacation spot. That's right. So e.gameObject.get component vacation display dot vacation spot. Vacation spot. I said it is public. Wait, what? Haha. Friend. And this needs to take in a vacation spot. Need a pass. Share vacation spot. Ani, thank you for the hydrate. Keeping me alive. Thank you. Debug? Add a player name to the game. Debug. Finn, no. I'm thinking about it. If there's like a better, punnier name you can think of, I'll do it. Spy. Spy, how are you? Also, Hadouken, I missed your message earlier. It's Monday morning. That's what it is. That's what it is. Debugger. Debugger. You're close. You're so close to a non-veto. It's just, you're right there. Keep going. Keep going. Glad you got to it eventually. I try. I really try. Just found Fanny Slam on Blue Sky. Nice. Everyone make sure to follow each other on Blue Sky. It's such a happy place. It's such a happy place. Why Blue Sky? Because Twitter's dead. X is, I don't know. X is depressing now. I go on X and my algorithm's totally funked up. It's like, I don't know. I just got overrun by rage bait. And like, you know what? You know what really grinds my gears? Sometimes you'll just see like ultra popular accounts on X with like millions of followers, and their tweet is just like, can you believe it? And that's it. Just like, and then you'll see like 4 million hits, you know, like 100,000 likes, all these shares. I'm just like, why? First of all, what are you talking about? I understand you're popular and you can say anything and get that kind of attention. Why is it on my feed? What is relevant about this? And it's like, not even it's not video game related. It's not Twitch related, stream related. It's just like nonsense. And then you'll see like 15 replies from other huge accounts. And I haven't heard of any of them. Maybe I have heard of one of them and that's why I get it, but that's what Twitter is sometimes for me. I didn't know Blue Sky still exists. Yeah, it's huge now. It gets a million new people joining every day, and that's crazy acceleration. Honestly, if you want to get in early, definitely get in now. I never understood Twitter in the first place. I didn't either, but you know, for the game dev world, it's just very, very popular. It's very used. You know, there's just a lot of game dev on Twitter. I don't know why game devs chose Twitter, but that's the one. Spy, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Twitter burned to ashes and poop rose from They turned it over to people who'd pay Elon Musk. Yeah, pretty much. I only use X to see if Elon will pump and dump another crypto. Oh, God. I blocked him. Or first I clicked like show less content from Elon Musk. And it didn't stop it. And then they actually like moved where you unfollow people and where you manage, like where you mute people into like a sub menu. Yo, undergroundies. Thank you for the raid. How's it going? Welcome in. Speaking of Blue Sky, I met undergroundies on Blue Sky. How are you? What'd you work on today? What'd you get up to? Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's a life sim Innkeeper-Sim. There's a Steam page. You can wishlist it. My creature breeding sim. That sounds cool. Can you share it? Do you have anything you want to share? Links are good. Images are good. Videos are great. Steam pages are the best. Creature breeding. Yeah, that sounds cool. You know, please drop anything you want to share in chat. Today I went a little slow. Today I've just been fixing bugs and working on a new. I'm just finally started working on this new mechanic, where this character, this old lady character in the game, she gets bitten by the vacation bug and she just wants to travel. So you learn places where she can travel, and then you need to take these new places you learn to her and send her away. So I'm trying to get all that working. And I think I'm almost there. I think now what I just added, she will despawn the next day. That sounds awesome. I love creature breeding games. Yeah, undergroundies. Please share. I'm gonna creep up on your VOD. In the meantime. Ooh, look at that. Drives decisions. Is this like run by Twitch chat too? Inspired by the Creatures games from the 90s. Is what we're looking at here your game? I guess I'll find out when I click this link. Although I do need to make sure it's safe for work. Is it safe for work? It looks very safe. All right. So we got, let me close that so the audio doesn't come through. Artificial life sim inspired by the Creatures games from the 90s. This will be my third artificial life sim. And out of the three, will be the first to include moving creatures. They have a brain, can make their own decisions, and can learn over time. Each creature is born with its own unique genes that determine personality, skin, eye color, body parts. Guide your creature through life, teach them what is good and bad, and watch them flourish. This sounds crazy. That is so much detail. Takes place on a cold, sunless planet with 2 moons. Player creatures will start in the hatchery above ground. In the snow barrens, there will be plenty of old houses and warm forts to take shelter in from above ground, or in above ground. Below ground, there is much to explore: crystal caves, forgotten labs, ancient ruins, mines, and cozy heat vents. Damn. This actually sounds cool. This sounds really cool. It's a good pitch. This is a good pitch. Very nice. Creatures raised in space. I've seen this. I offered to voice the honk shoe on Blue Sky. Nice. Andrew thought he had my full attention. I knew I didn't. I knew I didn't have your full attention, Finn. I had to do the shout out all by myself. You know I don't know how to do it. Very cool, undergroundies. Very cool. I gotta save this. He's lying to look cool. Don't believe him, chat. I was talking to an indie horror dev starter pack thing. I was talking to an indie horror dev starter pack thing. You were talking to the pack? Damn. Now who looks stupid? Can't talk to a starter pack. I had that one as a kid. Didn't really understand it, considering I was like 6. Always wanted to play it again. Could never find the disc. Still you. What game are you talking about? Creatures Raised in Space. Is that a game called Creatures Raised in Space? Suggest a vacation. Oh, very nice. Let's hear what you got for me. I want you to go to the Goldfinch Islands. You really think I should go there? Okay, if you say so. Now, if I fast forward to the next day, does she despawn? Does she despawn? Thank you so much for the follow. Let me get you back. Catch you next time you're on. Okay, she's still there. I actually don't think I added the logic for her to despawn yet. So NPCs, NPC state setters, jewels remove. If mystery favor is a success, and there's another thing I need. Wait, Lua condition wizard. Yes. Let me add another condition, which is variable. New Loc return day is less than, oh wait, yeah. Is less than or equal to today. No, just less than today. Apply. And then how do I say today? Right, variable current day. If the new Loc return day is less than current day, and mystery favor is a success, then I think that's it. I think. Because if today, so if new Loc return day is -1, -1 is less than current day. No, it's got to be greater than. If the return day is greater than or equal to, thanks for letting me talk about my project. Yeah, of course. Thanks for rating. Have a good night. Get a good night's sleep. You had it for PS1. Damn, never heard of it. Yeah, are you saying bye, ugh? Goodbye. Wait, so this logic is messing me up. The return day is 4, and today is 3. So hide. Okay, this is it. If it's greater than. So if it's equal to, then no, we don't want to hide. Okay. Yeah. So I think I need to artificially finish. I need to artificially finish the mystery quest. Variables, watches, mystery favor. Ads. But yeah, you don't get ads. I was saying goodbye, my friend, Undergroundies. Oh, I know you were. Also bizarrely named, known as Eugene, which is not his real name. Don't let anyone fool you into thinking that it is. So on Blue Sky, Interpol created a law enforcement starter pack and someone converted it into a block list. What is happening? That's kind of funny. Oh, also, it's... Oh, shit. I gotta go. I gotta end this stream. We gotta raid out. We gotta raid out. All right, we're gonna go to Beegs. We're gonna go to Beegs. I haven't been to Beegs in almost a month. Everybody, thanks for hanging out. Boo this man. Who we raiding? We're raiding Beegs. Wait, really? Yes, spy. Sorry, Atrum. NYPD is on Blue Sky. Guess so. New followers today. Undergroundies, Tasty Dew, Pepe, Leth, Deneth, and Icon. Thank you so much. Grumble and Darkwood, thank you for those resubs. And Finn and Computer, thank you for modding. Undergroundies, also thank you for that raid. I really appreciate it, everyone. Thanks for hanging. You've all been great. You always keep me going, and I'll catch you tomorrow. If you would be so kind as to give Alpine Lake a wish list, try the demo, blah, blah, blah. Let's go say hi to Beegs. And yeah, hope you all have a good rest of your day. Good evening. Start streaming later. No matter when I started, I had to end right now. It's just how today goes. Sorry, Atrum. Yeah, everyone have a good one. I'll be back tomorrow. I see how it is. Yeah, that's how it is. Later, y'all. Have a good one.